So I'm always caught in between Alfredo or spaghetti, but let's make it Alfredo this time. This recipe is super easy, super creamy, healthy and filling. It's protein packed and nut free. Let's make this Cali Alfredo pasta. So if you're not really supposed to be having pasta right now, but you craving like some Alfredo pasta right now, I feel you. That is this recipe for you. It's still very healthy, but like still gets the job done. If you've seen my other Alfredo recipe, you would notice that it's a very similar process to that one, but this one's nut free. So go ahead and boil your cauliflower, cut it up, boil it, get it really soft, and saute your veggies of choice. I'm using onion and mushrooms and spinach. It could be very simple, whatever you have at home or whatever you like. And season to taste, I'm using garlic, onion powder, salt and pepper, and olive oil in mine. Next, we're going to get this cauliflower to turn into our Alfredo. You can use a food processor, but if you don't have one, a good whisk will work, and a little muscle, a little arm action. Go ahead and start mashing your cauliflower, and then I went ahead and added some seasonings to it, and I also added garlic and olive oil to it. And then I'm going to add some coconut milk, and this was like a canned coconut milk, so I kind of needed to let it melt. So I put this on the stove and added more milk as needed, how much I need until I get the consistency that I need, while I boil these red lentil noodles. I really like this penne noodles, and this is going to give you extra protein in addition to all these other veggies. So that's pretty much it. Super simple. Once your sauce is at the consistency you want and it's all warm, go ahead and plate your pasta, and you can have it super clean and fancy like this and mix it yourself, or you can just go ahead and mix that whole thing together and mix the whole pot together. It gets really good like that too, especially like once it sits and it all marinates in all the flavors. So definitely give this a try. Super easy recipe. You can use whatever veggies you like, and it's nut free. You can pair it with a salad. You can pair it with a little baguette and some olive oil and little seasonings. Have your little your little pasta night out inside at home, still healthy without having to use all these extra butters and things like that. You can control what you put in your body and still feel good while eating what you love.